Hello friends, welcome to Determination. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this video, I will be solving a two-port networks question. So let's begin. The above circuit can be split into two series connected circuits. So this is the first circuit. I am drawing its Laplace circuit. So this 2 farad capacitor will get transformed into 1 upon 2s. This is the transformer. This is node 1 and let's name this node as A. So and the voltage over here is plus minus V1A. This is node 2 and let's name this as node B. The voltage over here is V2B plus minus. Let the current be I1 over here and I2 over here. The capacitor is 1 upon 2s and this is a 1:1 transformer. And let the current over here be I2 dash. Since it is a 1:1 transformer, I2 dash will be equal to I2. Now by applying KVL over here, we can write that V1A will be equal to I1 plus I2 dash into 1 upon 2s. Therefore, V1A will be equal to 1 upon 2s into I1 plus 1 upon 2s into I2, since I2 dash is equal to I2. Let the voltage over here be V2B dash. And since it is a 1:1 transformer, V2B dash will also be equal to V2B. Again by applying KVL, we can write that V2B dash is equal to I1 plus I2 dash into 1 upon 2s. Hence, V2B is equal to 1 upon 2s into I1 plus 1 upon 2s into I2. Now let's name this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So the Z parameters of the above network can be written as Z is equal to 1 upon 2s, 1 upon 2s, 1 upon 2s and 1 upon 2s. Hence these are the values of Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. Now let's draw the Laplace transform circuit of the second network. So the inductor will act as S. This is the transformer. This is point B. This is 2 dash. Over here is A and this is 1 dash. The current over here will be I2 as it is in series with the above network, and over here it is I2 dash and this current is I1. This is plus minus VA1 dash and this is plus minus VB2 dash, and the transformer is having a turns ratio of 1:1. So this voltage will be referred over here. So this voltage will also be equal to V2B dash and I2 dash is equal to I2. Now by applying KVL over here, we can write that VA1 dash is equal to S into I1, and by applying KVL over here, we can write that V2B dash is equal to I2 dash into S, that is S into I2. So the Z parameters of this circuit is S, 0, 0, S. Since both the networks are connected in series, the Z parameters of the equivalent network will be equal to the summation of the Z parameters of each of these circuits. So equivalent Z will be equal to 1 upon 2s plus S. This is 1 upon 2s. This is again 1 upon 2s, and over here 1 upon 2s plus S. So the equivalent Z parameters is equal to 2 2s square plus 1 divided by 2s, which is z11, 1 upon 2s, which is z12, again 1 upon 2s, which is z21, and 2s square plus 1 upon 2s, which is z22 of the equivalent circuit. Hence, this is the impedance matrix of the interconnected network.